My parents were Stephen and Viola Armstrong, and I had one sister and one brother. My family only moved for my dad's job. I loved building model airplanes and rode my first plane, Tin Goose, at a young age. I loved it and was determined to get my pilot license. I started flying lessons when I was 14. I studied aerospace engineering at Purdue University and later received a master's degree from the University of Southern California. In 1976, I married Janet Sherman, who was a student at my college. We had 3 children, Eric, Mark, and Cam. From 1949 to 1952, I was a pilot in the Navy and did 78 missions in the Korean War. After the Navy, I worked for NASA and later moved to Edwards Air Force Base in California, where I was a project pilot on many pioneering high-speed aircraft. I was promoted to astronaut in 1962. I was a command pilot on Gemini 8 on March 16, 1966. In 1969, I was the commander of Apollo 11, the first man-landing lunar mission. My greatest accomplishment was to be the first person to walk on the moon. For this, I received the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1969. After I retired from NASA, I worked as a professor of aerospace engineering at the University of Cincinnati from 1971 to 1979. I did both teaching and research. I later helped solve the mystery of the Challenger explosion in 1986. I'd like to leave you with these words: one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The things that I have done throughout my life is to do the best job that I can and to be me. Good afternoon.